to my channel. Hope you liked my last video. So today I'm going to show you what's in my bag. So this is the bag I'm using today. I know it's not matching my outfit, but yes, I'm just going to show you what's inside. Let's get started. So firstly, my wallet. Yes. This is a wallet from Michael Kors, and I really love these detailing over on this. If you see the detailing, I really love them. Okay, so the next thing I have are my sunglasses. These are from Louis Vuitton, and I'll just show you how to look. They're not matching my outfit today. I don't know why I kept these glasses. But yeah. Okay, so the next thing I have are my reading glasses. I don't really keep them all the time, only preferably when I have to drive for a long route. So that's when I use them. That's when I keep them in my bag. Otherwise, I just use them while driving sometimes, but mostly while TV. So I'll just show you. These are from the brand called these are from the brand called Balenciaga, and yeah, this is how. Okay, it's very dirty, but this is how it looks. Okay, so moving forward, I'll just keep them here. Okay, so moving forward, now I just have this one tiny little pouch in my bag. So nothing fancy about this bag. It is just a regular small little cute pouch I like from Miniso. Let's start it. Let's see what's in this pouch. Okay, so very important in summers. Even in winters, I have oily skin, so I really need that. Need this. It's compact from the brand Lancome. If you can see, I'm in the shade 210 Claire Second. Yeah, that's what this is about. Okay, so next thing, nothing fancy, just a normal small hairbrush that I use while traveling. So yeah, that's it. Okay, again, something really very important: be safe. I cannot move out of the house without it. I mean, I think I have this in all my bags, seriously. I mean, it's just good, you know. I don't know, mentally I am more satisfied when I'm using it. That's about it. So the next thing I have are my contact lenses. I usually keep just the case when I am wearing them, but right now somehow I do have my lenses inside this. This is not powered lenses, this is just colored lenses to enhance the eyes, which I use but not using it today. Okay, nothing fancy, just my medicine. Then earphones. If you can see, these are brand new earphones. I haven't used them at all, but somehow it's always there in my bag. Sometimes I'm in a place I cannot play the phone loudly. I might just need it while traveling or something, so I just keep a new pair in my bag. I haven't really used them. Okay, so this is a cute little perfume I use. It's from a brand called Chloe, and the name of the perfume is Love Story. I don't know if you can see it or not, but yeah, that's a cute little miniature I always keep in my purse. Yeah. Okay, so the next thing is very basic, but it's, I think, almost every day in my purse, all the time. Yeah, so this is Vicks tablets, which are always there in my purse. If I eat something tangy, I instantly get an itch in my throat, so always have to have these. Okay, so the next thing I have in my bag is this Sleepy moisturizer from the brand called Lush. It is an organic brand, not available in India again. I got this from Dubai. So yeah, it smells something like lavender, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, something like lavender. really like this. Okay, the next thing I have is this Purple Rain hand cream from the brand Bath and Body Works. I don't know if it's available in India or not. I got this again from Dubai. So yeah, I really like it. After washing my hands and sanitizing them, always use this. Next thing, very simple, very basic, some rubber ties. Always there if I'm, having my hair loose. So I will always have this. And even a clutcher. Yeah, that's about it. Nothing fancy, just a basic long tic tac. This is actually not for me. It's more for my son. He's just 1 year old and his hair are growing from everywhere, so I just need a bigger tic tac because he will not let me apply 2 or 3 of them. So sometimes this is what I use on him. So it's for him, not for me. So next, don't judge me. Yes, I do have a lot of lipsticks in my bag. I don't know why, but I just carry a few options in my bag. Probably something don't look nice in pictures, which generally happens to me. I am a big fan of nude lipsticks, but what happens is when you're applying nude lipsticks, when you get clicked, they don't show up that much. So I have some color options also, if just in case if I might have to change the lip color if I see my pictures, take my pictures and don't really like it. So that's then. And sometimes I'm applying a dark lipstick, and then probably after a while I just feel like when I have to take pictures I feel like they're too much, so I just switch to my nude lipsticks then. These three are from the brand called Light Crime. I really like these lipsticks. These are matte. I'm a fan of matte lipsticks. So I'll tell you the shades if possible. Okay, this one is the shade Marshmallow. This particular shade is very similar. It's a very nude kind of a color. It's called Lulu. And then this third shade, which is a dark kind of a pink, that's called Pink Velvet. Yes, that's about it. Another lipstick. This is kind of creamy, so I'll just show you. Yeah, it's a nude lipstick, but it's a creamy texture. So if I'm applying Lulu or Marshmallow, I'll probably apply a little bit of this under or over this. I don't know, I see how I like it. And sometimes I just mix 2 or 3 shades and apply. This is called Kinda Sexy. It says it's a matte lipstick, but it really isn't. It's a semi-matte kind of lipstick. Okay, so next I have this Kat Von D very beautiful pink color. I don't know if they have this shade now or not. That's called Berlin. So really cute find. Okay, last one, Jeffree Star Cosmetics Watermelon Soda. This looks absolutely stunning on my lips, and probably this is why I just have it, even if I'm not wearing a color which will go with this kind of lipstick, but I still sometimes have this in my bag. All right, apart from these things, I generally have 2 more things in my bag which are very important. I don't keep my phone in my bag first of all. So the first thing I always have to carry is a sanitizer. I cannot think of my bag without a sanitizer. So that's a must. The second thing is a power bank. I usually keep my power bank in my phone in my bag. I don't know why I don't have it today, but it's always there with me. I would love you guys to show me what you keep in your bags. Please comment down below what you keep in your bags. Any suggestions for me to make more videos on topics you want to see, so please let me know in the comment section. Thank you. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please let me know in the comment section below, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel.